Wake up in paradise at Hovnanian's Four Seasons at the Ranch, an active adult 55-plus community in Rancho Cordova, California. Enjoy a resort-style atmosphere and low-maintenance lifestyle where every day feels like you're on vacation. Take advantage of the world-class amenities available to residents. The clubhouse is the perfect hangout to catch up with neighbors. Pump iron at the state-of-the-art fitness center, get some laps in at the indoor or outdoor pool, or challenge friends to a game of pickleball or bocce. Choose between 4 collections of single-story homes of up to 2,925 square feet, 3 beds, 3 baths, 2 car garages, and an extra suite plus on select plans. We offer looks on select homes, providing a simplified way to personalize your space with unique palettes and details, carefully assembled to evoke a specific atmosphere. With no hidden fees, everything is already curated to provide you with a cohesive feel without the added stress of decision fatigue. There's always something to do nearby. Paddleboard on Lake Natoma, taste wines through the Sierra Nevada foothills, or make a tea time at one of many nearby golf courses. Traveling is a breeze with proximity to major highways. Spend the day in Old Sacramento learning about the Gold Rush or Railroad, drive up to Lake Tahoe for a weekend adventure, or fly out of Sacramento International Airport for further getaways. For over 60 years, Hovnanian Homes has been the first name in lasting value, building in the most desirable communities around the country. Contact us today to schedule a tour of Hovnanian's Four Seasons at the Ranch, and together, let's discover your new home.